Hi, I'm here with Kathy McBreen, president of Millionaire Corner, and we are going to be talking about affluent investor confidence. First of all, tell us about the Spectrem Affluent Investor Confidence Index and the Millionaire Confidence Index.
Sure. We have two indexes that we do research on every month. So we poll about 500 investors. Half of them are millionaires and half of them are just people with over $500,000 of investable assets. So every month we poll them and we ask them, basically their overall feelings about the economy, et cetera. And we've been doing this since 2004 every month.
What were the key findings this month?
A couple of key findings this month, and I'm a little nervous about this month's findings because it was being polled during the time when the Fiscal Cliff talks were somewhat more positive than they are today as we film this. However, people overall were a little bit more confident this month than they were last month. Overall, the Affluent Investor Index, so that's the people with $500,000 and up, their index went up 4 points, but it was actually still a -9, so that's still kind of a bearish attitude, but it's better than last month. And Millionaires also went up 4 points. They went up to a -2. Now that's sort of a in-between, leaning towards bearish attitude, but it's still a little more positive than last month.
Describe the household outlook of millionaires and non-millionaires, and what does that mean?
The household outlook is based upon the factors that influence people in their everyday life. So we ask them about their company health, we ask them about their own economic health, we ask them about their own assets, and then we ask them about what they think about the economy. Overall, what they think is that the confidence in the economy actually went up this month, but it's still at a -15. So it went up, but it's still pretty negative. The other thing that made a big difference is that the stock market rally, so confidence in their own assets seems a little better, and their company health outlook seems a little bit more positive. Additionally, millionaires are a little more positive about all those factors than non-millionaires, probably because the stock market has overall been pretty much going up, even though everybody's pretty nervous about it still.
Okay, what is the biggest factor influencing investment decisions of affluent households?
The fiscal cliff.
The fiscal cliff.
Everybody's waiting for the fiscal cliff issue to be decided, and they're really worried about it. When we look at overall in the last few months, the things that really are affecting them is the political climate, and they're just really frustrated and really nervous about it. More than any other time in the last couple of years, the political climate is what's really impacting people's investments.
What do investors plan to do with their assets this month?
Most of all, the plain affluent investors, they plan to stay in cash-based investments. They're really nervous about what's happening in the market, so they're just going to stay in cash and not invest. That could be good and that could be bad. I mean, cash keeps their own assets stable. It's not necessarily good for the economy. But millionaires are still a little more interested in stocks because they want to invest in the stock market. But with the whole fiscal cliff issue, I think that they're a little nervous as well. So everybody's sort of awaiting the outcome of this fiscal cliff.
Right. Okay. Well, thank you so much for meeting with us today and sharing with our viewers this information. If you want to find out more about this subject, please go to millionairecorner.com. I'm Heather Kiley. Thanks for watching.